to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to create some looks we will be using. The first thing we need to do is go down here and create a group. Let's name it Night. Alright, drag it to the top and let's get started. Go down here and select Color Balance. In the midtones, let's change the cyan and red value to -21, the magenta and green to +16, and the yellow and blue to +100. Now let's create a curve adjustment layer and type in these values. Under RGB, place a point anywhere in the curves and type in 136 for input and 100 for output. Bump up the black's output to 24. Next, create a levels adjustment layer and set the shadows to 8, the midtones to 0.87, and the highlights to 248. Next, go down here and create a hue saturation adjustment. Under Master, bring down the saturation to -48, and under Blues, let's bring up the saturation to +28. Alright, that's it for this look. Let's start on the next one. First thing we do is to go down here, create another group, and let's name it Green/Orange. Go down here and create a color balance adjustment layer. Under Shadows, set the values to +8 for cyan and red, +13 for magenta and green, and +21 for yellow and blue. Go to Midtones and set the values to +41 for cyan and red, +80 for magenta and green, and +32 for yellow and blue. Go to Highlights and set the yellow and blue values to -32. Next, we create a Curves adjustment layer. Under RGB, set a point down and change the input to 61 and output to 58. Set another point down and set the input to 133 and output to 119. Bring down the whites to 243. Create another Curves layer. Bring up the black's output to 9. Add a point and set input to 64 and output to 48. Make another point and set input to 129 and output to 131. Bring down the whites to 237. Alright, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one.